How to use Epsom salt for acne, 12 methods. A common beauty problem faced by most of the women around the world is acne. The main culprit behind the problem is excess oil clogging the skin pores. The clogged pores trap the impurities, which leads to bacterial growth causing acne. Factors that trigger excess production of oil are hormonal changes, improper hygiene, stress and poor diet. Maintaining proper hygiene and eating a nutritional diet prevents acne in the long run. But if you want to deal with the present acne, then simple home remedies can be useful. Some of the ingredients that help to deal acne are Epsom salt, apple cider vinegar and lemon. Today, let's have a look on Epsom salt for acne. Is Epsom salt effective in treating acne? Epsom salt contains anti-inflammatory property which reduces redness, pain, swelling, and inflammation caused by acne. Epsom salt exfoliates to remove dead skin cells, dirt, and other impurities. Epsom salt absorbs excess oil and dehydrates bacteria that grow in clogged pores and cause pimples. Epsom salt contains magnesium, potassium, vitamin D, and zinc, which are essential to achieve a clear skin. It contains sulfur, which is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Magnesium soothes the nervous system to prevent stress-induced acne and reduces the swelling and pain caused due to acne breakouts. How to use Epsom salt for acne. We have mentioned various methods that provide a detailed description of using Epsom salt with other ingredients. Try any method regularly to achieve the desired results. 1. Epsom salt. Process 1. Add 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt in a cup of water. Mix well until the Epsom salt dissolves in the water. Using a cotton ball, apply the solution to the skin and leave it on for few minutes. Rinse with warm water followed by cool water, then pat dry. Repeat daily until you achieve the results. Process 2. Salt bath. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt into bathtub filled with warm water. Soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse in the shower with plain water. Repeat 3 times in a week to treat cystic back and chest acne. For added benefit, include 1/2 tablespoon of sea salt and 1/2 tablespoon of olive, coconut, or jojoba oil. Note: Epsom salt methods can leave the skin completely dry. Our body may produce more oil in the response to the dryness. So, it is very important to use oil-free moisturizers after each process. 2. Epsom salt with honey, olive oil and lemon. Lemon contains antibacterial properties which deal with the bacteria causing acne. Honey locks the moisture in the skin cells. Olive oil nourishes the skin without clogging the pores. Mix 1 tablespoon each of Epsom salt, olive oil, and raw honey. Stir in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Gently massage the application in circular motions on the affected areas. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat daily. 3. Epsom salt with egg and milk. Egg nourishes the skin and absorbs excess oil. Milk moisturizes and cleanses the skin pores. This process works effectively for people with oily skin. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of Epsom salt, 1 raw egg, 1/4 cup of non-fat milk, and the fresh juice of 1 lemon. Wash face with water and apply the mixture to the skin while it is still wet. Leave it on to dry completely, then rinse with water. Repeat daily. 4. Epsom salt with carrots and mayonnaise. Carrots contain beta-carotene which works well in treating acne. This process works effectively for people with dry skin. Peel and grate 1 big-sized carrot. In a blender, add 1/4 cup of grated carrot, 1/2 teaspoon of Epsom salt, and 1½ teaspoons of mayonnaise. Blend until smooth. Wash face with water and apply the mixture to skin while it is still wet. Gently massage in circular motions. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse with water and pat dry. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat daily to reduce acne. 5. Epsom salt with olive oil. Olive oil reduces the swelling and redness caused by acne. The nutrients and fatty acids present in it will heal the damages caused to skin by acne. Process 1. Mix equal quantities of Epsom salt and extra virgin olive oil. Apply the mixture on the skin and massage in circular motions for few minutes. Leave it on for few minutes, then rinse with warm water and pat dry. Repeat daily. Process 2. Poultice. Combine 1 tablespoon each of Epsom salt and your favorite dried herbs. Stir in 1 1/2 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or any other natural carrier oil. Apply the mixture to the affected areas. Cover with clean cloth soaked in warm water. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Remove cloth and rinse with water. Repeat 3 times in a week to clear acne. 6. Epsom salt compress. This process helps to unclog the pores and reduces the swelling and redness. Combine 1 cup of lukewarm water and 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Soak a clean cloth in this solution and wring out the excess. Place cloth on skin and leave on until cool. Re-soak, wring out, and place on the skin again. Repeat the same 3 times. Rinse your face with water and pat dry. Repeat the process 3 times in week. 7. Epsom salt with facial cleanser. This process is perfect for back acne, chest acne and cystic acne. It removes the dead skin cells and unclogs the pores. Rinse face and neck with water and pat dry. Mix 1/2 tablespoon of Epsom salt with 1/2 tablespoon of facial cleanser. Apply to acne-affected skin and massage gently in circular motions for 2 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat 2 times in a week. Note: do not rub harshly as it hurts your skin and worsen the problem. Tip: choosing the right facial cleanser is important for this process. Here are favorite pick of facial cleansers formulated for acne-prone skin. 8. Epsom salt with oatmeal. Oatmeal absorbs the oil from the skin pores. It also contains essential vitamins which help in the regeneration of skin cells. Mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, 1 cup of organic rolled oats, and 1 cup of water. Rinse face with water and apply to wet skin, massaging gently in circular motions. Leave on 5 minutes, rinse with warm water, and pat dry. Repeat 3 times weekly to exfoliate and balance the skin's pH level. 9. Epsom salt with milk and lime. Mix 1/2 tablespoon Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of cognac. Apply to acne-affected area and leave on until dry. Rinse with cold water and pat dry. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat regularly to clear the acne. 10. Epsom salt with coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids which protect the skin from bacteria and infections. It will moisturize the skin without clogging the pores. Melt 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil over low heat. Add 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt and stir well. Once Epsom has dissolved, remove from heat and let it cool to room temperature. Apply to affected areas and massage gently in circular motions for 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water followed by cool water and pat dry. Apply moisturizer. Repeat the process 3 times in a week. Note: you can add tea tree oil for added benefits. Tips and precautions: do not use Epsom salt to exfoliate more than 3 times in a week, as this can lead to irritation and rashes. If you're pregnant, consult a doctor before using Epsom salt treatments. Do not rub plain Epsom salt directly into skin. This may worsen acne. Store Epsom salt in airtight container to avoid dampness and clumps. Before starting regular Epsom salt treatments, do a patch test to make sure you are not allergic to it. For added benefit, include garlic in Epsom salt scrubs. As with any other acne treatment, Epsom salt works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Eat fresh fruits, vegetables and protein-rich foods in your daily diet. Drink 8-10 glasses of water daily. Avoid sugar and carbohydrates. Do yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises to reduce stress. Ask your doctor if your birth control medication is causing your acne. If you see no results within 2 to 8 weeks, consult a dermatologist.